G'day guys, Greg here. Now, today I'm off to
Domino's
because I've got a new promo out. It's the Mega Topped Pizza. You get 50% more toppings from only $2. So I'm guessing it depends on the pizza, but there's only 4 to choose from. So I'm going to go and whip in, grab one of them, suss it out, and we'll give it away and make sure it is 50% heavier. Let's go. All right, here we go. The 50% heavier pizza for $2 more. I think so anyway. I got the Godfather today. Now, there is only 4 pizzas that you can choose for this. You can get the Mega Topped ham and cheese. You can get the Mega Topped barbecue sausage and onion. And you can get the Mega Topped Hawaiian. But I got the Mega Topped Godfather because, well, it looks like it's got more toppings on it. But anyway, it is actually pretty heavy. Look, I've got the scales. Let's make sure that they are sticking to the contract. Now, an average pizza, one that I've weighed recently, was about 580 grams. A box is about 120, so that leaves about 460 grams for your normal pizza. But take away the base, because that's not the toppings, so let's say 200 grams for that, maybe a bit less, but let's say 200, which would leave about 160 grams, which means half of that is 80, which means your average 460 gram pizza should weigh about 540 grams. Let's hope my math is mathing. All right, well, let's start weighing. Okay, 540 gram pizza. Come at me, bro. 825 grams minus the box. Well, that's like 700 grams. These guys aren't kidding around. Anyway, let's suss out the pizza I got today. The Godfather. I've had it before. Hopefully, with the extra toppings, it'll be even better. Da 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 da. Oh. Is that what a Godfather looks like? Now, the Mega Top Godfather is supposed to be a classic Godfather pizza, loaded with 50% more of your favourite Italian sausage, fresh capsicum, diced tomato, Kalamata olives, oregano, and mozzarella toppings. Ah, well, I thought it'd look more like the one on the website. That one's green. This one's red. That's good. I prefer the red capsicum. Oh, and by the way, this pizza is, 10 inches wide. For some reason, I always thought they were 11. And for some other reason, I thought Godfather had some spicy stuff on it. I'd even prepared my balloon knot especially. Anyway, it looks like I'll be pooping solids. All right, well, might as well give this bad boy a crack. That's pretty tasty. It was super juicy. Tons of toppings means extra liquid. And the extra cheese, well, it probably counteracts the liquid to clog you up a little bit. But yeah, that was actually pretty nice. Is this supposed to have garlic on it? No. Not minding that at all. I'm loving how there's extra Kalamata olives on there to add that extra saltiness to it. And it's got the sausage and pepperoni, let's not forget that. I should have asked for the free chili flakes. I do love a little bit of spice in my life, and I do love those chili flakes on the pizza. But I must say, mate, this is very heavy and it's very juicy and very tasty. In fact, I need another bite. Yep. Seems to be tasting a lot better than your average Domino's pizza. The extra toppings really do add extra flavour. And it is very extra juicy, actually. It's almost like a Domino's drink. That's how juicy it is. Anyway, I think I've had enough of it now to know what score it's getting. Out of 10. Well, value-wise, did I mention this pizza costs $13? Well, if I didn't, I did now. $13 for, 700 grams worth of food? Well, a lot of the burgers I buy are $13 and they're only like 280 grams, so value-wise, it's a bargain! Flavour-wise, well, it wasn't the Godfather pizza I thought it was. I thought the Godfather was spicy and, well, the exact opposite of this pizza. But the thing is, I still enjoyed it. It was tasty. The red capsicum on it, whoa, a little bit sweeter than the green one. The green's always a bit sour and bitter. But the red's going down an absolute treat. I should have known from the other 4 pizzas that are very limited in toppings that this was going to be a limited topping pizza, and well, it turns out it was, but for what I'm getting enough toppings on there. Seems to be a lot of cheese there as well. It's on your classic crust, and well, the saltiness of those calamatas is great, and the sausage is good, and the pepperoni's good, and the cheese is good. What more do you want? Well, it could have done with some chili flakes, that's for sure. Boost the heat up. I do love the heat. But I thought this was alright. Wasn't great, but it was an alright pizza. And for $13, I thought it wasn't too bad. Actually looking forward to my next bite. Oh yeah. Yeah, that I am. So my all over value, all over flavour, all over taste, all over everything score for the 50% more for pizza Godfather for another $2. It must usually be 11. Well, I reckon this pizza deserves a... It's actually not too bad. I'll give it a 7.8.5 out of 10. Mate, not only did I get 50% more toppings, it turns out I got 50% more pizza. It was way heavier than your normal 460 gram pizza. In fact, it was another 250 grams more. It was like 60% heavier. What a bargain. It was pretty tasty too, I didn't mind it. If anything, it might have been a little bit too soggy from so many toppings and juices shooting down the back of my throat. But hey, I didn't mind, mate. It was tasty, enjoyable, and with lots of toppings. A good time was had by one and all. Anyway, I hope this video helps you decide what to try, what to buy, and what to avoid. If you've made it this far, why don't you show the video some thumb and love? Subscribe for more of the best videos on the whole of YouTube. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time for my next fast food review. I'll see you then.
Ooh yeah, this is Greg's Kitchen with a review.